Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Starting in Windows 8, many of the actions for which you would previously use a mouse can now be performed by using gestures on a touch screen for computing devices that support this behavior. In this lesson, we will examine the various gestures that are available in Windows 8 for touchscreen devices, and which gestures translate to the traditional mouse clicks and movements. So first you have the tap or the touch, and this is simply a tap once on screen. What it's used for is to open or select items, so it's very similar to a left mouse click. So if you were using a touchpad, you could tap the Photos tile to open it. You also have the press and hold movement, and here you touch on screen and hold your finger in position. This displays information about the selected item or opens a menu specific to what you're doing. It's similar to a right click with a mouse. You also have the pinch or stretch movements, and when you pinch or stretch, you touch the screen with two fingers and then either bring them closer together, which is the pinch, or further away from each other, which is the stretch. This shows different levels of information. It zooms in or out to magnify items that are displayed on screen. You also have the rotate movement, and when you perform the rotate movement, you touch the screen with two fingers and then turn your fingers clockwise or counterclockwise. Doing this rotates on-screen items in the direction specified. Note that not all items can be rotated. You also have the slide. When you slide, you move your finger or fingers across the screen. This moves through on-screen content, similar to the scrolling with the wheel of a mouse. When used on a selected item, you can move the selected item, which is similar to clicking and dragging with your mouse. You also have the swipe movement, and with the swipe movement, you move your finger or fingers a short distance across the screen. If you swipe across an app tile or other selectable item contrary to the direction in which the page scrolls, it will select the item. You can also swipe in from the right edge of the screen to open the charm bar, swipe in from the left edge of the screen to show your open apps, or swipe in from the bottom edge to display your basic file commands. You can swipe from the top of an app to the bottom edge to close an app by dragging it off screen.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.